The Ripple lawsuit with the SEC is the single biggest, most important thing that crypto has going on right now, period, end of story. It is massive. It is going to shape crypto, in my opinion, forever. Ripple versus the SEC lawsuit remains the most important non-fraud SEC enforcement action since 1946. 1946. This is crypto's defining moment because it's going to set the stage for how crypto is going to be regulated here in the States, but quite frankly, it will have a global impact because other countries, in one way or the other, will follow suit in a similar fashion. Because what's at stake here is how the SEC or the CFTC, which are the two kind of government regulating bodies here in the United States. The SEC, of course, we all know who that is. The CFTC is the Commodities Futures Trading Commission. They regulate commodities. And what's at stake here with this XRP Ripple lawsuit is how crypto is classified. Is all crypto classified as a security, or is it classified as a commodity? The answer will be most likely that it will be a blend. There will be certain cryptos that will be classified as securities, and there's certain cryptos that will be classified as commodities. Like there's, kind of everybody's lining up saying that Bitcoin is a commodity all day long because it's effectively likened to digital gold. But it's Ripple and how they're going to classify XRP as a security or as a commodity. It's really the watershed moment, because ultimately it comes down to, this is a turf battle between the CFTC and the SEC, and who is going to have the power to regulate crypto from here on out. It is a groundbreaking situation that will change the face of crypto forever. Now, the rumor is, and the rumbles is that Ripple looks like they're going to win the case. That's the way the winds are blowing, if you will. But we don't know yet. We're waiting on that judgment. They're still kind of doing their legalese back and forth, filing this and filing that and all that. But I really wanted to take a moment to kind of walk you around the park to tell you how important this is. This is a groundbreaking moment. And when that decision comes down from the judge presiding over this case here in the States, it is going to be one of the biggest and most defining moments of crypto forever. It will be. However, whichever way it goes, it will be one of the biggest, most defining moments. It's going to be interesting to see. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below, drop a like. Please tell me you want me to continue to cover XRP Ripple for you. I love XRP Ripple, huge fan, and I'll see you later. Have a good one. Take it easy. Bye.